Let's go to page 47 and number 64. Okay, so it says giving that x over y is equal to 2 over 3 and y over z equal to 3 over 2, and you're looking for x over z. Okay, so this one is very simple. To get x over z, you just multiply this together. So x over y times y over z, this will equal to 2 over 3 times 3 over 2. So this cancels out, so you got x over z equal to 1. Okay, let's go to 65. Okay, so you can read through the problem. So the test have two parts. The first part is worth 60%, second part is worth 40. The student gets 95% on the first part, and what does the student need to average 90%? Okay, so 95% on the first test, and that test only worth 60%. And you have to plus the test that is required for that student, and it's worth only 40% on the second test. And this has to equal to 90% overall. Okay, so now it's just more solving. So get everything, so move everything around. So minus this over, so you got x times 40 over 100 equal to 90% minus 95 over 100 times 60 over 100. Okay. Then after that, you kind of have to multiply. So this whole thing, okay, you need to multiply by 100 over 40, the reciprocal, right? Then you use your calculator, punch in all the numbers, you got x equal to 33 over 40. Okay, now on the calculator I use a fraction, so I end up with a fractional answer. So x will equal to 82.5 percent. So the student need to get 82.5% to get 90% overall average. Let's go to number 66. Okay, so Jennifer has had a bag of gummy bears. So she gave 1/2 of the bag, so be 1/2 x. So x is the total number, so 1/2 to Jessica, and 1/3 to the Jenna, and 15 to Julie. So the original x, the total number is equal to this much. Okay, so now to solve, you minus this on both sides, so you're going to get 1/6 x equal to 15, and multiply by 6, so x equal to 90. Okay, so originally there are 90 gummy bears in the bag. Okay, let's go to number 67. Okay, so a man can run x feet in y seconds. So the rate equal to x feet over y second. So how many yards can he run in z minutes? Okay, so you're looking for the distance. Okay, so r times time equal to distance. So the distance, so you just have to multiply. So the distance will equal to x over y feet per second, and you're going to times it by the z minutes. Okay. So now you have to simplify things a little bit. Okay. So you have to try to make everything in according to the requirement. So it asks for how many yards, so you have to get everything all fit. Okay, so x over y, so you got feet over second, and you got z minutes. Okay, so to get the yards, you need to multiply by 1 yard equal to 3 feet. So that this will cancel with this. So now you have to simplify the minutes and seconds. So you have to times it by 1 minute and 60 seconds. Okay. So the second will cancel with second, minute will cancel with minute. So D, you put all this together. So 3 and 60 will cancel out. So you will end up with 20 xz over y yards. Okay, let's go to 68. Again, need to translate. So x is proportional to the y and is inversely to the z. And then you give you all this information. So x1 equal to 1/2, y1 equal to 3 over 4, and z1 equal to 2 over 3. And you're looking for x2 when y2 is equal to 7 over 8 and z2 equal to 7 over 9. Okay, so first let's go and solve for k. So you're going to get xz over y equal to k. And then from here, you're just going to have the first scenario equal to second scenario. Okay, so you're going to have x1 z1 over y1 equal to x2 z2 over y2. Okay, so substitute. So you got 1/2 times 2 over 3 over 3 over 4 equal to x times by 7 over 9 over 7 over 8. Okay, so now just go a matter of shuffle things around. Okay. So go and solve. So x2 will equal to, so I get 1/2 2 over 3, and this move over here, so you're going to get 7 over 8. Then you have to divide, this goes down here, but because you're dividing, you have to flip it over. So when you divide by 3 over 4, it's same as multiply by 4 over 3. When this goes down over here, when you divide by 7 over 9, it's same as multiply by 9 over 7. Okay. So once you do all the moving around, you can go and simplify. So 3 and 3 cancel with 9, 7 cancel with 7, 2 and 4 cancel with 8, and so you're going to get 1 over 2. Okay, let's go to 69. Okay, 69, read through the problem. So this is the investment problem. So I'm going to make the table to help me to organize information. Okay, so this is the first account, this is the second account, and this is the total. And so this will be principal times the rate times time will give you the interest. Okay, so the principal you don't know anything about, so it'll be just the first and the second, but the total it shows is a 4,500. The rate of the first account is 4%, so it'll be 0.04. The second account is 6%, 0.06, and it's annually, so time is 1 year. And so when you multiply, you're going to get 0.04F. This one, you're going to get 0.06S. Okay, now the next information is that the return, the income are the same. So you're going to get 0.04F is equal to 0.06S, and the total F, the F plus S equal to 4,500. Okay, so I'm going to solve for F. So divide, so F equal to 0.06S over 0.04. So F equal to 1.5S. And I'm going to substitute into here. So I have 2.5S equal to 4500 divided by 2.5. So S equal to 1800. So once you find S, you can find F. So F just 1.5 times F. You don't need it, but in case if you want to, that's what you can do. Okay. So now we can figure out the interest earned. Okay. So you can substitute into here, or you can just multiply this and times it by 2. So interest will equal to, again, there are many ways you can do this because they are equal, right? So you can use 0.06 times 1800. So again, you don't need this. Okay, this is just extra. So 0.06% times 0.06 times 1800. So that's the amount earned by this. But remember, they are equal, right? So all you have to do is times by 2. Or you can use this plus this. It will come out the same. So the interest this earned would be 216. So the rate would be equal to 216 interest earned divided by the capital, right? And so R will equal, so this is the overall. And so this will give you 4.8%. Okay, let's go to number 70. Okay, number 70. The wage of the 3 men for 4 weeks is 108. So 3 men times 4 weeks times the rate or the wage equal to 108. Okay. And so I'm going to look for the rate first. So the rate will equal to 108 divided by 3 and divided by 4. So the rate will equal to 9. So once you figure the rate equal to 9, you can use it to figure the rest. It says at the same rate, so how many weeks with 5 men? So 5 men times number of weeks times the rate will equal to 135. Okay, so divide by 5 and 9. Divide by 5 and 9. So W will equal to, again, you can do a lot of cancellation. So this will equal to 3 weeks. Okay, let's go to 71. So again, these are the ratio problems. So you have the lab to love is 17 to 12, and love to smash is 3 to 4, and smash to vintage is 32 to 15. Okay, and then so if the total is 3150, so first you need to go and link this together. So you need to go and make into common denominator. So I'm going to make this, multiply this by 8. So I get 32. Okay, so multiply by 8, I get 24. Okay, so convert this into this. So now you can go and link this together. So now this becomes 24 to 32 to 15. So now you can put in a multiplier in there. So you can put a multiplier, and then okay, then you have to go and convert this also. So from here to here, you have to multiply by 2. So this would be 34. Okay, so you need to have a 34 over here. Okay, so you got those 4 people, and then so this total is equal to 3,150. So go and add all this together. So So you got 34x plus 24x plus 32x plus 15x equal to 3150. So again, the key is make it into common denominator so that these common multiples, so you can link everything all together into one complex ratio. Okay, so go and add all this together, you get 105 x equal to 3150. Divide, so you got x equal to 30. Once you find x equal to 30, you can figure out each individual. So the love equal to 24x, so 24 times 30. So love is equal to 720.